This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
I've installed this York template, and yeah, I've created my blog. Let's add some random stuff to this place, like test. Let's hit save and publish. And this is a blog title. Let's add a different article, just like test 2. Okay. So it looks like this. Okay, great. We want to change this to something. We just go here, inspect, and we see this h1 tag. So simply, we are able to add this important tag and make it like, I don't know, 40 pixels. Yeah, I would like to actually do something like this. I'm sorry. All right. So when we see the size is 40 right now. See this? Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, this one. 40 pixels is important. The usage of important isn't like recommended, but sometimes if you need something specific and you want to be sure that it won't be overlapped by any other CSS properties and stuff, which is a frequent case, which occurs frequently in Squarespace, yeah, then you probably should use some important tags as well. And also a good way is to find an identifier. So in this case, we are not able to use the identifier, as h1 doesn't have any, but this div probably has. Okay, let's say I want to change this one. This is an a something. Okay, so I want to change a font size 40 pixels as well. Important. You see it affects other elements. We want it to be so. We want it to be only like for the class blog list. So it will be like this. And now you see the same size. So basically, if you just want to change some specific appearance of a tag or like h whatever tag, you just need to use an important property, and also you have to check everything and test thoroughly to see that your CSS property is applied only to the element you want it to be applied. You know, like as in this example, if I just remove this part again, yeah, you see what happens. It's not what we want, right? So make it like this. Okay, thank you so much.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.